Hey guys, we're going to talk about doing given tree diagram problems. So it says the tree diagram below shows the probability of it raining in Paris, Texas today, and the buses being late or not late. And we want to find the probability that there was rain given the bus was late. With a given question, remember we are changing my denominator to what was given. So we are given that the bus was late. So with this, the first thing we have to do is find the probability that our bus was late. To do this, we're going to find the probability that there was rain and the bus was late. So 0.25 times my 0.2, which is 0.05. And then we also need to find the probability that there was no rain, but the bus was still late. So that's 0.75 times 0.1, which gives us 0.075. All right, with these two things, we're going to add them together to get our probability of just overall the bus being late, which in this case is 0.125. So this is going to be my denominator. So to probability with a given question will be the probability that there was rain times the probability that the bus was late divided by just the probability that the bus was late. So it'll be the probability of rain and the bus being late divided by the probability that the bus was late, which we just found. So when you do this, you end up getting your total answer of 0.4. So this is just the total probability of there was rain given the bus was late, because we have to take into account that given changes my denominator, and this is the formula I'm going to use. Awesome.